In this video, you will learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. Watch this conversation between two friends. Pay attention to the useful phrases.
Wow, this restaurant looks really nice.
Yeah, I like the atmosphere here.
Should we sit near the window?
Sure, that's a great idea.
Do you come here often?
No, actually, it's my first time.
Oh, nice. Let's check out the menu.
Yeah, take your time.
So, what do you feel like eating?
I'm not sure yet. What about you?
I love Italian food.
Same here, let's see what they have.
They've got pizza, pasta, salad, and soup.
Wow, that's a lot of options.
I think I'll start with garlic bread.
That sounds really good.
Do you want something to drink?
Yeah. I'll have lemonade.
I'll just take water for now.
Alright, no problem.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I think so.
Excuse me, we're ready to order.
I'll have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
And I'll have pasta in creamy tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious.
Also, one garlic bread as a starter.
Perfect. Can I get no onions in my chicken?
And can I get a side salad instead of fries?
That's a healthier choice.
Actually, I'll have iced tea instead of water.
Sure. I'll stick with lemonade.
How long will it take?
He said about 10 to 15 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yeah. That's fine.
Is the food spicy here?
Not really, you can always ask for less spice.
Good to know.
I usually ask for less spice.
Do they have dessert?
Yeah. Cheesecake and brownies.
Nice. Maybe later.
Yeah, let's finish the main course first.
I'm getting really hungry now.
Same here, it should be here any minute.
Oh look, the food's here.
Finally, it looks amazing.
This garlic bread is warm and crispy.
Mine looks great too. Try some of my chicken.
Sure, you try my pasta.
Wow. This is really tasty.
Thanks. How's your chicken?
Perfect. Juicy and soft.
Well, my pasta is a bit salty.
Oh, you can tell the waiter.
Excuse me, the pasta is a little salty.
Yeah. Just say it politely.
Could you make it with less salt next time?
See, that was perfect.
I just don't want to waste food.
That's a good mindset.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm full.
Let's ask for the bill.
Yeah.
Can we get the bill, please?
Here comes the waiter.
It's $24.
That's reasonable.
Does it include service charge?
No. We should leave a tip.
How much?
Maybe $3.
Okay, 27 total.
Sounds fair.
Here you go, keep the change.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That was really good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
We should come again.
Definitely.
Next time, I'll try pizza.
And I'll try fish.
Okay, deal. Thanks for inviting me.
My pleasure, let's go.
See you next time.
Yeah. See you. Great job. You just learned how to order food at a restaurant in English. Try practicing this conversation with a friend or by yourself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.